Hello guys and welcome back again to our YouTube channel, Han and Kai. So today is September 22, 2023. And I just want to share kasi itong si hubby ko ay nag-message sa akin this morning. So I was in the school, in my German school, and then I thought something happened. He said that I really need to call him as soon as possible, ASAP, if I am not busy. So I was got nervous. Kala ko kung ano yun. And then, suddenly, so I called him, I go out for a pause in our break time, like that. And then, I called him and asked him why or what is it about? Why I need to call him? Is there a problem? So, and then, yun pala, may na-receive siyang email, or may na-receive siyang mail, hindi email, mail, briefe, like that in German. So, under my name. So, ito ay letter from the radio or TV here. That, this one. So, it's from Gerish Bolsai Hiren. I hope my, I hope my, that word is correct. Okay, when I say it. Yeah, I received this letter and si hubby ang naka-receive. If this letter you receive, it was from the radio and TV. So, ano na to guys? Higher court na yan. Kumbaga nasa attorney, ano na yan. Na parang in the file case na yan, ganon. So then, so normally kasi dito guys, sa Germany, you really need to pay the, not only, sa dami nga ng binabayaran dito, what, as we said before, like, renting an apartment, auto, your car, your insurance, your electricity, your water, your food. But then, you also need to pay the radio and the TV, even you don't use it, literally. At lalo na kung bago ka or bago kang tumira dito or you're a new resident living here in Germany, especially if, for example, solo ka lang and you are renting, you're really required to pay it. But then, I am married then and usually si hubby lahat ang nagbabayad niyan dahil wala pa naman akong work then and I'm still student here. So then, and every houses talaga, every houses, you are really required. That's a normal way here that you need to pay the radio and TV even you don't use it. Ganon ang rules dito guys. So, akala nila ay hindi kami married ni hubby and akala nila as a new resident here living ay akala nila solo ako. So they keep sending this bill. They keep sending this letter to me that I need to pay. Do you know how much I really need to pay? 182 euro plus another 60 euro. So almost 230 euro like that ang need kong bayaran, ang need i-settle down. But then, kapag naka-receive kayo ng ganyan guys, lalo na kung baguhan kayo dito na titira sa Germany, tulad ko, 1 year na ako dito, and then, talagang required talaga yan as a new resident living here in Germany. Once you receive this letter, ang dapat nilang gawin is mag-email kayo, mag-email kayo na or si partner nyo kung married din kayo katulad ko at si partner nyo yung nagbabayad, i-inform nyo sila, tawagan nyo sila na sabihin nyo na ang inyong partner ang nagbabayad ng bills na ito. Kasi every houses, one person lang ang or one account lang ang dapat na isettle. And then, or email nyo sila about dito. So, last year na rin mayroon na tong nangyari na to. Akala namin okay na kasi last year na ayos na to ni hubby. Nag-email din siya way back Ishlave, October, mga ganon, October or November, na naayos niya na to, na-email niya na to. And then, nakareceive na naman kami itong September. Itong September lang. Ngayon lang din, na ano na, kasi nga, siguro akala nila binaliwala. Kaya, red, ay ano pala, yellow, yellow envelope na. Pag yellow envelope na, ano na to guys, kabahan ka na. Kaya medyo na-stress si Abby kasi sabi niya, ano tong letter na to? Ibubuksan ko na, hindi na kita mahihintay pang umuwi. Or, hindi na kita mahihintay para buksan to. I wanna check it soon as possible. What is this about? So, kabahan ka na kapag naka-receive ka nito. Kasi, possible na any day, they will knock your door. And, equivalent of the billing, for example, that almost 200 euro, they will get 2 or 3 appliances or electronics that you're using. For example, TV. For example, laptop, tablet, ganyan. Any day they will knock your door. And kung ayaw mong mag-settle, ay ang mangyayari, kukuha sila ng gamit mo dito. Ganun dito. So, para maayos yan, ang gagawin mo, in case na mangyari din sa'yo, sa part mo, lalo na kung baguhan ka dito, mag-email yung partner mo, ulit, katulad yan, nag-email na kami, di ba? It happened last year, nag-email na kami. Pero naka-receive ulit kami. So, ang gagawin, mag-email ulit. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, tawagan niya. Tawagan niya ang office na ito and inform niya na para kung walang sakaling hindi nila ma-receive yung email, sabi ko tawagan niya yung office para i-confirm talaga na magkasama kami sa isang bahay at hindi na ito dapat isettle pa kasi si hubby ko yung nagbabayad. And then, sabi niya, pag hindi pa rin naayos, idadaan na lang din namin sa attorney. Sabi niya kanina, pag di pa rin nila inayos yan, kung sila ay ganun din, and rin kami, mag-file din tayo sa attorney. Ganun daw. Di ba? Social may attorney. So sabi ko, hindi naman kailangan idaan na yan sa attorney. E di itawag mo rin ulit, i-confirm mo, pagkatapos na i-email mo, i-confirm mo sa kanila. So, naiisang magkasama tayo sa bahay at sinisettle mo na yan. Ano pa naman yan guys, every 3 months. Alam niyo kung magkano every 3 months yung charge nila? Like 60 euro. So, lumalabas na monthly, 20 euro yun. 20 euro monthly. So then, kahit hindi mo ginagamit ang TV and radio, you still need to required to pay that. Every house is here. So, alam yan din ng ibang mga Filipina, German living here. Normal yan. And then, usually, hindi naman talaga kami gumagamit ni hubby ng radyo. Hindi talaga kami gumagamit. Kasi, hello, most we use laptop, tablet, and phone, di ba? At saka yung TV, hindi ka, kumbaga ano yun, yung binabayan yung mga channel, yung normal channel dito sa Germany, yun yung binabayaran mo. And then, hindi na kami nanonood ni hubby ng mga normal channel dito. Kasi meron kaming Netflix, meron kaming Amazon. So for us, that's better. Dahil, as a German Filipina, for us, that's a better film or series. Yun, dun talaga kami nanonood sa Netflix and Amazon. So, yung TV na normal channel, we don't pay. So, di ba kung sa atin, sa Philippines, internet, sky cable, yan yung mga binabayaran natin. Pero yung TV na normal channel sa atin sa Philippines, hindi naman natin binabayaran yon, di ba? And also yung radyo, di ba? Hindi natin binabayaran kasi meron tayong may mga open radio tayo and TV din na hindi talaga literal lang, electricity lang yung binabayaran natin. Included na siya sa electricity, di ba? So dito sa Germany, once you leave, lalo na kung baguhan ka na titira dito, maninibago ka talaga. So dami-dami ng dapat bayaran na hindi naman talaga din dapat. Katulad yan, baguhan ako dito, I receive billings na hindi ko naman alam kung ano yan. Hindi rin naman ako, di talaga kami nanonood ni hubby ng TV, ng radyo, hindi kami nakikinig ng radyo dito kasi, but then, it's really required to settle it. So yun, si hubby nga ang nagbabayad niyan monthly. So, good thing na lang na kita niya yung email niya din last year na katunayan na nag-send kami ng email sa kanila. Hindi rin naman siguro nila chine-check. Ewan ko bakit di nila chine-check. So, gagawin ulit ni Habi ngayon, after siguro ng ilang days, tatawagan niya or baka Monday, tawagan niya itong office na to, bakit ganito, ganyan. So, hopefully maayos naman din agad. Biruin mo, yellow letter. Yellow letter. And it calls Rundfunk by Trege. So that's the Zalung der Rundfunk by Trege. So that is for radio and television na hindi naman ginagamit. Deutschland Radio. Hay. Kaya ayaw din ni Habi maki-join sa akin ngayon kasi medyo naiinis siya. Nai-stress siya dito sa pinadalang email nila. Or pinadalang letter nila. Ayan, letter. Linaw-linaw pa naman. Ano pa naman? Hana. As in talaga ang linaw ng letter for billing talaga for me. So ito yung gagawin nyo guys pag magsisettle na kayo. Dito, ito yan, yung second paper nila. Dito yan, ilalagay yung information na nasettle na. Tapos, I think ipapa-email na lang din yata, ere. So, comment down below din kayo guys kung may idea kayo or kung anong dapat din namin gawin about dito. Medyo na-stress si Habi talaga kaya ayaw niyang mag-join. Pero ayun nga, I just wanna share lang this information din. In case na baguhan ka dito as a Pilipina, may ma-receive kang Rundfunk by Trige, ganun lang din ang gagawin nyo. Inform mo yung partner mo kung siya yung nagbabayad nito, and then email nyo yung nagpadala nito, and i-attach nyo yung proof of payment, and information ng taong nagbabayad, at yung sinisingilan nila ng tao. So, ilagay nyo lang din sa details na it was paid na, and this person is already the one paying, and then hopefully maging okay yung inyo. Pero yung amin, ewan ko, last year ginawa na ni Habi, but then we received a new mail from them. So, but then hopefully masettle or maayos. It was settled. Hopefully maayos lang agad, and wag silang kumatok dito or else kapag di nila to tinigil, idadaan na namin to sa attorney. Kasi sabi ni Habi, some of his friend, ganun daw ginawa. Dinaan na daw sa attorney kasi nga every time na lang they receive something, every houses, one person is the one paying it. Ganun nangyari din sa isa niyang katrabaho. So, they said, dinaan na nila sa attorney. And, yun, after nun, hindi na nagpadala ng letter yung taga Deutschland Radio. So yan, that's what will happen lang din, or yun, to get ideas lang din sa iba na in case na maninirahan or new resident here, what will happen. So yan, mahal pa naman, grabe. For every 3 months, 60 euro. Yung sinisingil sa akin, more than 220 or 250 euro. My gosh, wala akong work. Wala tayong work, wala tayong ano ngayon, kasi student ako. So, sabi ni Habi, at gayon din, ganon din yung suggestion ng mga classmate ko kanina kasi akala nila may nangyaring hindi maganda. And then, they were just concerned, and then I opened the situation or the problem, and then they said that we're not the one paying it as well, only their partners. Kasi usually, yung mga classmate ko, mga babae, most, di ba? As you see, nakikita niyo mga babae. So, yung mga partner nila, mga lalaki, yun yung mga nagsisettle. And then, it's also happened din, yung site to nga, na-share din sa akin ng classmate ko, si Ismira, na yung kanila naman, ano din daw, naka-receive daw yung si Ismira ng billing for Saitong, Saitong. O, di ba? Saitong, ano yun? Ang Saitong is newspaper that Ismira need to settle blah 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 this kind of amount or this amount price. And then, so ang ginawa din nila, nag-email sila, tinawagan nila itong Saitong company na bakit sina-charge? Hindi naman sila kumuha, mga ganon. So, ganun din yung suggestion ng isa kong classmate na mag-email make an information about this na yung partner ko or si hubby yung nagsettle. So, ganun din talaga suggestion ni mother-in-law na mag-email at sabihin na si hubby yung nagbabayad nito. Ganun lang. Pero nakakaloka that we need to pay this kind of thing even hindi naman talaga ginagamit, di ba? Hola, welcome to Germany. Welcome to Deutschland. Every rules, it's the rules, okay? So, kung ayaw mo sundin, edi umalis ka dito. Ganun lang yun. So, kung gusto mo sundin, if you like to live here, sundin mo yung rules nila. Ganun. Yeah, so that's one of the reason why I also like to live in Philippines. Hopefully, in the future. Okay? So, yun lang. Na-share ko lang. Thank you. And if you also, it happens to you, please share naman your experience, what you did, and what happened, di ba? And what is the solution as well. And yun lang. Thank you. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. And please, don't skip the ads as well. So, cheers! Welcome to Germany! Cheers!